We're going for Devin Aoki, Mariah Carey, Jessica Alba, Rachel McAdams. Think early 2000s, soft, warm, dark blonde. You feel? Hey guys, it's Heather. Surprise, surprise, we are back again with another hair video. The roots are here, so we must once again dye the hair. For the past 3 to 4 months, I have had blonde hair. Before this, my hair was pink. I don't know if you guys remember, but we were rocking the pink for a while, and then we went blonde. And honestly, I really love being blonde. I feel like this is the hair color for me. Like, the most that I get compliments or when life goes well, it is when I am blonde. My favorite shade of blonde is actually either this blonde or platinum blonde. However, another thing about my hair is that she's getting long. She is growing, and I'm also really liking that. So I'm in a little bit of a dilemma. I can either stay this bright blonde or I can have long hair. The two don't really go together for me, because for me to be platinum or bright blonde, I have to bleach the crap out of my hair. The last time that I had platinum blonde hair, it lasted a total of 6 months before my hair started just breaking off from how much I was like bleaching it all the time. I would literally get root retouches every 3 weeks, and so all of that was just really damaging on my hair. So my solution in mind is to maybe go for a darker, healthier, revived blonde. Here's what I have in mind. We're gonna take a quick adventure over to my Pinterest. I don't have Pinterest on my MacBook right now, so we will be doing it on the phone this time. Let's enter the board. Do you guys like my name? Casual 2000s Disney. That's the theme, that's the vibe. This is like modern day Bella, but look at that hair. Do you guys see what we're going for? Oh, look at her, gorgeous. Ooh, Devin. Okay. Jessica Alba. Oh my god, look at that. Slay. Look at that hair. Yes. Ooh, this might be a little bit brighter than what we're thinking, but look at this one, Rachel McAdams. I think this would be the perfect shade. If we can achieve this shade, I would be like head over heels. Look at Mariah Carey. I'm obsessed. Okay, so this girl I think is like some tennis player that was big back in the 2000s, like super big. And like, if I can just have her hair, like that is all I want. If my hair can just get this long, be this healthy, be this blonde, like that is literally all I want. Look at that, damn, power stands. Maybe I should start braiding my hair. Maybe that would be healthier for my hair. Look how beautiful she is, wow. Yes. Mandy freaking Moore. Jessica Alba again. Look at that golden, beautiful hair. I feel like this is, do we have similar tones? Is she olive? Am I olive? I don't know. But like, do you think this tone would look good with me? That's where I'm kind of like, oh, what if I do this and it doesn't look good? Because it will be a little bit darker than this for sure, I think. And I don't know, I like this color. This bright color is just so, I feel like it really complements my skin tone. It really brightens me up, I don't know. But I feel like it's not sustainable. It's pretty, but it's not sustainable. Okay, no. Back to the board, back to the vision. Okay, we have Zendaya. It's kind of bright too, but like, look, oh, Mariah. Oh my god, look at that. Sheesh. Okay, this is also the perfect shade of blonde. Like, if we can get to this one. What do you think this is? Like a level 8? Yeah. Okay, so this is definitely darker than what we were going for, but like I really like the cut she has going on too. Like, yes, Devin, yes. Look at that. This is really dark though. I don't know if we're going for that. More so this version of the Devin hair. Yeah. See, I'm like, do I have similar like undertone, skin tone to these beautiful women? Because am I gonna look like this? Or am I gonna look washed out and not so good? We shall see, I guess. Oh, Britney as well in the 2000s. Oh, yes, slay. Back to the queen. Yes. Honestly, hair goals right there. I was thinking of like, after we dye it, of chopping it like completely straight at the ends too. Kind of give it like, I don't know, the completely straight, straight hair, like all one length. I used to have the hime cut, so up here is a little crazy. I feel like I'm just gonna have to blend it in. But honestly, in like maybe a year from now or something, I would want all my hair to be one length. No more layers, just long and pretty like this. All right, enough of the Pinterest board. I feel like you guys have an idea of what we're going for. So, shall we begin? We're gonna start off with bleaching my roots. One thing about the roots that I should tell you guys is last time we bleached my roots, I kind of let my roots grow out for a really long time. I think way too long. It was like 3 months. And so there's a little bit of a banding. We're gonna hit the roots and the band. Hopefully it's all one color. If not, it's fine. We're going darker. But yeah, we're gonna bleach the roots. Okay, we're in my bathroom now. Quality is probably gonna be way worse because I don't have any sort of lighting in here besides the bathroom light. But so we're gonna bleach my hair. I'm only gonna bleach like a section of it with you guys, just so you guys can get the vibes. So you can see like what we're doing here. So I'm gonna section it like probably like this much. And this is gonna be one section. I'm just gonna section it all the way down the back and then braid this out of the way. It's not gonna be perfect. And if you're trying to like also maybe go for this hair color, basically you just need to have blonde hair. I'm gonna make sure it's like pretty tight on there so no hair is like falling out or anything like that. Okay, that's one section. Now we're gonna do the same to the other side. It actually is pretty light blonde now that I'm like sectioning it out and stuff. I think that's chill. It's good enough for what we're going for. All of it's gonna eventually be dyed anyway. I should actually braid my hair more often. It's like kind of cute. Cool. Now we're done sectioning. Let me show you guys what the game plan is. First, we're gonna hit the roots. After the roots match the color of this band, we will go ahead and apply bleach up to where the band ends, and hopefully it is all one color. Yeah. Let's mix the bleach. And since we're working on such little hair, I'm only gonna go in with 20. And I'm gonna want like a pretty thick consistency. Also, I normally wear gloves, but like retouch-ups aren't as like chaotic or messy, so we're gonna go gloveless today. Hopefully my hands are gonna be okay. I also have like shorter nails, so it's all good. Okay, thick with 2 C's. Let's do this thing. I'm gonna split it in half. And then isn't that kind of satisfying? Alright, we're gonna do what we call the perimeters. Let's go in here. Alrighty, and then the same thing to the side. And I try to stay like as not on my scalp as I can. Okay, I think we got all the perimeters. I didn't apply it like super heavily. It's gonna be fine. Alright, and then I take a small slice, pretty thin, like this. And then, yep, so we're just gonna keep doing that all around until all the roots are covered. Okay, the hair is bleached. This is what we're looking like. Well, not actually the hair, we only bleached the roots. But now all of the hair is light and we are ready to tone. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my K18 all over the hair, and I'll show you guys like what products I'm using so you guys kind of have an idea, and I'll tell you what I'm doing. Okay, now that my hair is completely drenched in K18 and still damp. I like to tone my hair while it's still damp. But this is what we'll be doing. 10 VV and then 10 GI and then 10 N with 9 GI and 9 G. I don't know how much of each I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna do it to however like my heart feels, kind of like cooking. But we're gonna start off with 10 VV, about that much. Not a ton, I don't think. Maybe a little bit more. Then we got 10 GI. I actually don't really know what this is gonna bring. We're going with level 10s though, because I don't want it too dark. And anytime I go like a level 8, it's a little too dark. And then 10N. This one, we're only gonna do a little bit. It's like to neutralize or whatever. And then we got 9 GI. I'm actually gonna be adding quite a bit of this so that we get that like golden nice color. There we go. This is probably already too much toner, but I have a lot of hair, so yeah. And then we got 9G for the same reason. We want it to be a nice creamy yellowy, but not super yellow, but kind of yellow, like butterscotch, you know? Alrighty, and that is it for the mixture. I'm going to be applying it via bowl and brush first, just to like the top parts. That way we can get those colored, and then I'll be pouring the rest of it into a bottle mixed with water, diluted a little bit, and then we'll apply it onto the ends. The ends are really porous and they're pretty light compared to, I don't know, a lot of the hair. I don't know, it's kind of like the same color. I think the bleach job was pretty good this time, but yeah, I'm gonna pour it in here with water, dilute it a little bit so that way it's not too dark. And yeah, oh, I'll also be wearing gloves this time. I don't wear gloves to bleach my hair, but I do to tone it. Cool, so I'll see you guys in the bathroom for the toning. We're starting off with the roots area. Ooh, it's looking really yellow. I hope it doesn't turn out super yellow. What if my hair ends up being the color of cheddar? What am I gonna do? Hopefully it's just because we just applied it and it looks better after a while. I don't know, we shall see. Trust the process. We also have a mirror so I can see the back of my head. Now that all of the roots are covered, I added water to the toner, 1 to 1 equal part, and I put it into a bottle instead of the bowl. And now we're just gonna coat the rest of the hair. Alrighty guys, and this is how it turned out. What do you think? I don't know if this was initially the color that we were going for, but I really liked how it turned out. It is giving Rachel McAdams' Mean Girls a little bit, kind of Barbie, and I'm like kind of about it. Here's some pictures of like the back of my head, because I don't know, can I show you guys? No, because this chair is gonna spin, but yeah, here's the front, there's the back, and yeah, I'm really feeling it as I mess it up, and yeah, the curls kind of slaying too. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of my hair transformation this time. I will catch you in the next video. Bye!